Hi everybody, it's Nicke here and welcome to today's video, which is my Fantastic Ladies collaboration. I'll start that again because that's not what we said. Hi everybody, it's Nicke here and welcome to today's video, which is my charmed Power of Pan. You'd think I'd remember the name because I was the one that created it. No! My brain doesn't work. It is, of course, a Fantastic Ladies collaboration, so I will leave all the information you need in the description box below this video, so please do check that out before you leave. So, you'd think with it being my own project, I'd be doing really well on this. Turns out, not so much. I think because it's my own, I'm not concentrating on it. I don't know what the thing is, but I have one rollout today, and plenty of other products that have had almost no use at all, if any at all. I'm just not prioritizing these items. I don't know why. But anyway, let's, I know why. It's because 50 Shades of Yellow/Gold is coming to an end and I'm concentrating on all of those products. So anything else in any other project at the moment is just getting left by the wayside. But anyway, that is also a Fantastic Ladies collaboration. So, you know, I'm a big fan. So let's go through everything. So the first item was for Prue, something to move out your collection. I want to move this out of my collection. It's the Lime Crime Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cashmere. This has been like at a very low level for a very long time, and I should have had this finished by now. We've been going since October. And we're what, halfway through? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next month we will be halfway through this project, and I haven't finished that much of a liquid lipstick. Come on, Nicola. I've used it once today because I thought, I haven't used it at all this month. I better put it on. So I put it on today for this look. This is going to be a priority for the next month, I think. This has definitely got to go. Also, as well, there's a couple of items that are like this low that I really want finished before my mid-year makeup inventory. So it's got to become a priority. So as of last month, it was 10.84 grams. I used it today and it now weighs 10.82 grams. So yes, definitely a priority now. For Phoebe, something that you predict you will love. Again, it's on my eyes today because I realised, haven't used it. And it is this shade here from Lethal Cosmetics in the shade Scarab. I have it on my eyelids today. This is in for 10 uses. So far, it's been used 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I used it today for a 6th use, and it went from 3.32 to 3.30. So halfway there, 5 more uses. Hopefully, as I try to pan this particular look for the next month, I may get my 5 uses on that, but hey, we'll never know. We'll never know. Next, I have another rollout, but it's not the whole prompt, it's just part of the prompt. So for P3 or Power of 3, we had a trio of products and I had 3 nail polishes and I wanted to use each one 5 times. The first Sally Hansen one in Sundown Socialite, I had previously used 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I did use it a 5th time in the last month, so this is the one that is rolling out. And then also this month I used the second Sally Hansen in the project, and this is in Slicks and Stones. So this one has previously had 1, 2, 3 uses, so this month was its 4th use, so just 1 more use to go. And then the third and final nail polish I had in was from Revolution in the shade Poison, beautiful green colour. Wore this as well this month, so I wore all 3 this month. Very good, going me. And this was previously used twice, so this was its 3rd use, so 2 more uses to go on that. So One more for this one and 2 more for that one to go. The next item, I honestly thought this was going to be finished for this update. Look how close it is. Look how close it is. And when I take that stopper out, it goes down even lower. Like, so little in here. This is the W7 Clear Lip Gloss, which is not so clear anymore, for PAIGE, something you can use alone or with other things. So you could use this on its own, or you could top it over another colour. This is into finish. Last month it weighed 6.51 and it was pretty much up to here. And now it weighs 5.26. I definitely think this is going to be finished by next month, because, yeah, I was so on track for getting that finished. And then I realised there was another product that I really wanted to get finished for this update. So I swapped to that. You'll see later on. For Kohl or Balthazar, a double-sided product, I have my Back Talk palette from Urban Decay. And the goal is to use this 10 times. I used this twice in the last month. I brought it in for another project and used it in that one. So yeah, I've used it twice. So 8 more uses on this to go. No weight for it because it is quite heavy. Although I do believe that in the other project pan, I was able to weigh it because I took off the box, I took off the inside mirror, and it was able to figure on my scales, but I don't have the weights here, so apologies for that. But I have used it 2 out of the 10 times. For Leo White Lighter, a glowy product, I have my number 7 highlighting stick, and this is looking really low now. I'm very happy with this. So this is into finish. As of last month, it weighed 23.50 and it now weighs 23.40. So yeah, we're slowly but surely getting it used. I used it 4 times this month. So yeah, that's that one. For Chris, something you would tell your past self about. I have my Beauty Bay Scalp Serum Exfoliate and Cleanse. Now there is a weight change on this, but I don't think I used it. No, I didn't use it. Didn't use it at all. But the weight seems to have changed. It seems to have gone from 103.47 to 103.39. The goal is to get down to here. To get down to there, but the product is still up here. So yeah, guys, I keep forgetting to do it, but it does need doing. I think I say that every video. For Dan, something you know you should love but you don't. I used this today. I can't. The Body Shop Hemp hand cream. Why did I get this size in a scent I don't like? It was a free gift. It was a free gift with purchase. That's how I got it. This is into finish. I don't think I'm going to finish it. But it went from 101.83 to 101.51. I try and use this on my feet, but I keep forgetting. So yes, or I tell my husband, please use this. For Billy, a new purchase. I used this for the first time today. This is a St. Ives Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub, and I used this on my hands today. And it wasn't till after I applied it, rubbed it in, and then tried to like rub the excess scrub off my hands, and found myself just literally sticking to the cloth. That I then read the instructions and it says apply to damp hands. My hands weren't damp, they were dry as a bone. So this just turned into a sticky mess. That's why I then had to apply the hand cream. So my hands smell and feel sticky and I don't like it. So I'm going to have to put this in my bathroom. That's where this is going to have to go. It's going to have to go in the bathroom because I can't use this like I use the Cuccio hand scrub that I had, that this was meant to replace. I bought this to replace the Cuccio hand scrub that I used up and finished and now miss terribly. So yeah, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, carrying on. Just move. So for the Triad, a triangular product, I finally got started using my Def Leppard palette from Revolution. I rolled this in to pan those eyeshadows. I am wearing it today. It's sort of like the top shade here on my eye look. I'm trying to, for this project, hit pan in this shade here, Sea of Love. And I basically rolled that same shade into pan those eyeshadows. Try and kill two birds with one stone. Cruelty to animals, I know, but it's only a saying. But yeah, so I'm double whammying this product now for these two projects, just because like I really need to get those pans hit. And I figured if I had said, oh no, this pan is already in a project, and then rolled in another palette, then it would have taken time away from me hitting pan on this palette. So I figure, you know, roll it in to both projects, get that pan hit on that shade, and I'm done. That's the whole point of the game, right? Is to get those pans hit. So yeah, it is in two projects now. And when it hit pan in that shade, it will roll out of both projects. But yeah, so that's that one. I've only used it twice because I was using other shades previously. So yeah. And again, no wait for that because of the size of the palette. For the sauce, something difficult to pan, I brought in my Balm Hot Mama blush for 50 uses. Previously, it had been used 12 times. I used it a further 5 times. So that's 17 uses. And there it is there. I don't know if you can see any movement on there. I can see a slight dip happening, but I'm not sure you will because of the focus of my camera. But anyway, but yeah, so 17 uses now. Put it that way, Nicola. Out of 50, we've got a long way to go. So yeah, there's that product. Weights. Came in at 40 last month at 42.79 and this month is 42.70. For Gideon, something you need to learn to use, I had some Essence nail foils and for the life of me I don't know where I've put them. So I'm gonna have to have a look. I'm thinking that I might be doing the last use of this nail polish with some of those nail foils because there's gold in this nail polish. I don't know if you can see the gold shimmer in there. So I was thinking if I could find those nail foils, I could do that with that nail polish look, but I need to find them. So if you know where they are, can you let me know? Thanks. For Zanku, something you've changed your mind on, I have this Revolution HD Pro Contour palette. I am attempting to hit pan on this shade, and I don't know if you can see, but I can definitely see this grid pattern here in the powder. So yeah, this is not pan, by the way. That's just white powder. I mixed a white powder in with those two. That's why there's flecks of white in there. It's not mold, don't worry. But there's definitely a dip going in this shade. So I can see myself hitting pan soon. So last month it weighed 157.90. It now weighs 157.66. For Barber, Something You're Afraid to Pan, it's a red lipstick. This is Ruby Woo. Haven't used it, so it remains at 20.04 grams. It's not going anywhere. It's Ruby Woo. My daughter bought me it, so it doesn't matter. For the Nexus, a neutral eyeshadow or lipstick, I have my Mini MAC in Velvet Teddy. I haven't used this one either. So this continues to weigh 8.85 grams as well. And last but not least is Andy, a product that has gone too soon. And last month I said this product isn't going quick enough. It isn't going as fast as I expected it to. It was already partially used, like I think it was half empty anyway when I put it into the project pan. So I thought this would be like a 1 or 2 month and done kind of thing. And it wasn't, and it was just hanging around for so long. And one of you commented, it's the... You commented on, you kind of made a pun with the name. I can't remember who it was, I do apologise. But somebody said, oh, your lip gloss gone rogue has gone rogue from, you know, the prompt. And I thought that was hilarious. Anyway, this is the Revolution lip gloss in Gone Rogue. This is for Andy, a product gone too soon. It wasn't gone enough, but now it is. Look at it, it is gone. This is the product that stopped me from using up this. I realised, look, this has got to go. This is just too funny that this is still sticking around. And again, this was just really low as well. And I thought, I just need to concentrate on it. And you know what? It took me a week. It took me a week to finish this. How stupid is that? It took me a week to finish. It's just been sat there for the last few months, not being used. So, lip gloss, out of my collection, out of the project, into my makeup empties for the year. So happy with myself. Ugh. I don't even know how many uses in the end because I just kept reapplying it and reapplying it throughout the day. So yeah, that is my Charmed Power of Pan update for March for you. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.